Hey, what's up you guys? It's Emily, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make fabric carrots. Let's get on with the video. The first thing you can do is that you can draw and cut out a triangle template of any size out of paper. I made mine to be 5.5 inches by 9 inches. When you're done making your template, you want to trace the template onto the back of your fabric. Your fabric can be any color. I made my carrots orange. After you're done drawing the triangle, you can cut out your triangle. If you don't want to use a template, you can freehand the triangle. I did this to create my largest carrot, and I made this triangle to be about 7 inches by 9 inches. When you're done cutting out your triangle, you can lay it down with the front side of the fabric facing up. Then you can put glue on the edge of the triangle with hot glue. And then you can take the other side of the triangle and fold it over onto the glue. When the glue is dry, you can flip the carrot inside out. You can use a wooden dowel or a pencil to help flip the carrot inside out. After you're done flipping the carrot inside out, you can trim the top of the carrot to make it more even at the top. Then you can stuff the carrot with pillow stuffing. But you don't want to stuff the carrot all the way to the top because you want to leave room for the carrot to be tied. You can use a pencil to push the pillow stuffing to the end of the carrot. When you're done stuffing the carrot, you want to take about 15 or more pieces of raffia and bunch them together. To make sure the raffia is long enough before putting it into the carrot, you can put the bunch of raffia inside of the carrot and make sure you leave some extra length on the raffia because some of it will go inside of the carrot and some of it might be trimmed off. Then you can twist the end of the raffia together, and then you want to put some glue on the raffia so it can stay together. When the glue is dry, you can put more glue on the end of the raffia. And then you can put the raffia inside of the carrot. If you need to, you can trim the raffia before putting it inside of the carrot. Then you can tie a piece of twine around where the stuffing ends into a bow. If you want, you can trim the raffia to make it look more even, or you can just leave it as it is. The last thing you can do is that you can glue a button on the middle of the bow, and then you're all done. And that's how you make fabric carrots. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye!